Hello and welcome to Legendary Tractors. My name is Ryan, and today I would like to share with you a brochure for the Case International Magnum Series tractors. So let's get started. The Case International Magnum tractors in this brochure were introduced in 1987 with the models 7110, 7120, 7130, and 7140 and were produced through 1993. All of these tractors were manufactured in Racine, Wisconsin. Original pricing in 1993 for the 7110 was $69,000. For the 7120 was $76,000. For the 7130 was $83,200, and for the 7140 was $91,000. Magnum, the business of farming has changed. In the short period of time since their introduction, Magnum tractors have become the point of comparison for the over 100 horsepower power class. This position did not come easily. Rather, it was earned, the result of years of research of operator needs, followed by still more years of development and testing. Customers asked for more, now they have it. It's called Magnum. The line. The Magnum tractor line begins at 130 PTO horsepower, which is 97 kilowatts for all of you electrified green environmentalists out there. With its 7,700 pound hitch lift capacity and a standard 540 1000 RPM dual speed PTO, this Magnum tractor fits into those operations with a wide range of tractor work. A step up in power is the Model 7120. At 150 PTO horsepower, the 7120 matches up with larger equipment yet retains the availability of a dual speed PTO. Performance: 170 PTO horsepower, working through an 18 speed full power shift transmission. With heavier final drives, 9,300 pound lift capacity, and a 1 3/4 inch diameter 1000 RPM PTO, the Model 7130 puts power to work. If you need the 7140's 195 PTO horsepower, you'll probably need our most popular 7140 option, mechanical front drive. This just may be the most power you can buy in a conventional row crop tractor. Our quality. From its inception, Magnum was designed and built according to our customers' definition of quality. We heard what you wanted in product performance and features and responded. Everyone at Case is doing a lot of listening these days to hear what you like or dislike about our equipment. The Magnum tractor has become state of the art because we made improvements farmers like you asked for. Because quality production should follow quality to design, we insist that our suppliers deliver parts and components that conform precisely to specifications. All of our employees must be well trained and have the leadership and support that they need to produce quality in every part of their work. That's the Case promise. Total commitment to quality, from the worker on the assembly line building your new Magnum to the people designing tomorrow's tractor. At Case, customer focused quality is the responsibility of every one of us. James K. Ashford, President and Chief Executive Officer. Maximizing your performance. The engineer's approach to design in terms of systems, paying close attention to the inner working relationships of each component and how well it works with the next. The engineers know that the operator is a critical component in the overall performance of a tractor. One look and you'll see how our systems will fit your systems. One obvious improvement is visibility, a clear view out the front. No air or exhaust stacks disrupt your natural forward vision. But Magnum comfort advantages don't end there. The cab is roomier, quieter, tighter, and cleaner. The fully adjustable air ride seat features fore-aft isolation plus swivel positioning. Seated in the Magnum cab, you know you are in full control. All the controls are positioned where your hands and feet expect them. Functional yet comfortable for those long days your business sometimes demands. The Magnum cab features more than 47 square feet of tinted glass with the front glass reaching all the way from the floor to the ceiling. Transmission, full power shift, full control. 18-speed full power shift transmission. If you are considering a tractor in this power class, these words are sure to make a Magnum tractor a top contender in your decision. It's simple. No other tractor offers a standard 18-speed full power shift, and without one, no other tractor can match Magnum. With a Magnum power shift, you can start in any gear, shift up, down, even to reverse, all without clutching. New technology, high efficiency. At the heart of every Magnum tractor, you'll find the most advanced diesel-powered engine available today. With 505 cubic inch displacement, there's plenty of reserve power and torque to keep you going when conditions change. All Magnum tractors are turbocharged for complete controlled combustion. The Model 7140 is also aftercooled for an added power boost. High capacity cooling promotes high operating efficiency. Simplified service is also a big advantage. Magnum tractor engines have 25% fewer parts for outstanding simplicity and service economy. Front drive. More traction. If you want to gain more control over where, when, and how fast you can handle field work under good or adverse conditions, you need the go-ahead traction of Magnum Mechanical Front Drive, MFD. MFD utilizes the entire working weight of the tractor for tractive purposes. Front wheels pull their share of the load and more. And MFD's limited slip differential steps in when one wheel starts to spin. Power is automatically shifted from the slipping wheel to the driving wheel. Extra power to pull you through. Magnum MFD can be engaged or disengaged on the go or when stopped. It's an integrated design, not an add-on, that's clean and compact for good crop and residue clearance. A hitch, complete control. Simply put, Magnum Tractor's hitch command gives you more control over a 3-point hitch operation with far less attention or effort. Hitch command is the exclusive Case IH 3-point hitch control system. Under its power, the operator need only flip a switch to lower the implement or raise it. The rest of the work is left to the system's microprocessor. Sound complicated? Not really. Magnum Tractor's hitch is the easiest system to use and set in the industry. The Magnum Tractor hitch fits all Category 3 and 3N implements. Magnum tractors provide more lift capacity for confidence with today's heavier implements to help you put more work behind you faster. Magnum PTO and hydraulics. PTO. High horsepower applications such as forage harvesting or pull type combines are well suited to Magnum tractors. The control permits smooth feathering in and out of gear. Model 7110 has two separate shafts for 540 and 1000 RPM speeds. Model 7120, 7130, and 7140 each have a 1000 RPM shaft. Dual shaft 540 1000 RPM PTO is also available for the 7120. Hydraulics. Magnum tractors feature a pressure and flow compensated closed center hydraulic system. This system senses pressure requirements accurately, then provides exactly the flow needed for the load. You get instant hydraulic control with less heat and minimum power loss. 2 remotes are standard. Up to 4 remotes are available. Instrumentation. Harmonizing man and machine. Ever heard the term artificial intelligence? That's where a Magnum Tractor's Intelligence Center 2 pays off. The Magnum Tractor's full instrumentation package monitors all vital tractor functions and alerts the operator with lights and signals. Sharp, backlit, liquid crystal displays provide digital readouts for engine speed, PTO speed, acres covered, and wheel slip. Bar graphs indicate fuel level, coolant and exhaust temp, and voltage. And in models equipped with the available true ground speed sensor, relative wheel slip is graphically displayed. Transmission gear position is also displayed. We understand that the real intelligence behind tractor operation is you. Intelligence Center 2 provides you with maximum operation information quickly and easily. allowing you to concentrate less on monitoring gauges, more on operating the equipment. An up-close look at Magnum advantages. Heavy-duty side rails. Heavy-duty box section side rails strongly support the engine and provide for convenient, secure mid-mounting of loaders and saddle tanks. Viscous fans. Viscous fans on the 7120, 7130, and 7140 models adjust fan speed to meet engine cooling requirements. Wraparound headlamps. Wraparound halogen headlamps with precision pattern lenses diffuse the light in an equal pattern around the front of the tractor for superior forward and side visibility. Toolbox. The toolbox, optional, is firmly attached to the engine support rail and offers ample capacity for tools you need in the field. Lighting. All floodlights are recessed for protection and are easy to adjust. Wide steps. The cab's wide steps are a comfortable place to stand when fueling. Serviceability. Our goal? Make it easy. Proper maintenance is critical to tractor reliability and durability. Our approach of Magnum is design systems requiring minimal service, design systems with longer maintenance intervals, make access to service points as easy as possible. Fuse panel. The in-cab location provides access to the fuse panel, circuit breakers, and relays. Stratotube air induction. A unique Stratotube air induction system with pre-cleaner and exhaust aspirator removes up to 95% of the dust from incoming engine air before it reaches the dual-stage filters. Spin-on oil filter. You only do it every 250 hours, and changing the spin-on oil filter is a snap. Magnum tractor side panels and hood are designed to control airflow around the engine and components for more effective cooling. Dust, heat, and sound are also directed down and away from the cab. The hood lifts easily on gas assist cylinders. The right side panel is simple to detach. There is no mess inside the cab when you change the air filter, and dust is purged from the filter every time you shut the cab door. Entire left side panel can be removed for complete access. So often, a tractor comes along that changes the trajectory of the industry. For nearly 30 years, it had been the era of the muscle tractor. The introduction of the Magnum series tractors from Case International heralded the age of the digital tractor in which we still have today. Who would have thought that the basic display screens that were found in a Magnum would evolve into all of the equipment monitors, tablet, and iPad displays that are commonly found today? It has been nearly 30 years since the Magnum revolutionized the tractor world. Perhaps something is new on the horizon like the Magnum was and the muscle tractors before that. I wonder what it could be. Whatever it is, let's hope it will eventually be a legendary tractor. I hope that you've enjoyed this brochure about the Case International Magnum Series tractors. If you have a good story about a Magnum, tell me all about it in the comments. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you next time when we discuss another legendary tractor.